Welcome to the Nicholas 11x12 Technology. Today I'm bringing you some news about Apple's upcoming smartphone, the iPhone 6. Here are the leaked pictures of it, and apparently we'll get to see at least two models. The model on the left with a 4.7-inch screen and on the right 5.7 inches. For scale, on the left the iPhone 5S, next to it the iPhone 6 4.7-inch version, then the 5.7-inch version, and on the far right the iPad mini. Apparently Apple will no longer make use of the Gorilla Glass, instead Sapphire Glass will be used. An 8 megapixel camera is used, and for the OS the iOS 8 is used. When it comes to the processor, all we know so far is that an Apple A8 and M8 processor will be used. The iPhone 6 could be released in autumn this year, but that hasn't been confirmed. And that's all I have for you right now regarding Apple's iPhone 6. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and visit Nicholas11x12techx.com to see videos there earlier than on YouTube.